Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss selling cost. We are discussing monopolistic competition. In the last video lecture, we discussed the group equilibrium under monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition, there are many characteristics of monopolistic competition, large numbers of buyers, differentiated product, importance of selling cost. Here, very important points to be noted that in perfect competition, as buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge of market, there is no need to incur selling cost. Monopoly itself indicating absence of competition, so obviously no need to incur selling cost. But selling costs are very important in monopolistic competition because your products are not perfect substitute. Products are close substitute. They are similar by nature. They are not exactly same. So what are selling cost? Selling cost is a very broad word. Selling cost are all the costs which are incurred in order to increase the sales of the product. Advertisement, publicity, propaganda, salesmanship, all these are considered as selling cost. जितने भी सारे कॉस्ट जो सेल्स को बढ़ाने के लिए किए जाए, all are known as selling cost. Okay, these are the definition. Professor Chamberlain. Selling costs are those costs which are incurred in order to alter the position or shape of the demand curve. हम लोग ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि how selling cost can change the location or position of the demand curve. At the same time, it can change the shape of the demand curve. Professor Mayer said the cost necessary to persuade a buyer to buy from particular seller rather than from other. Persuade और convince में थोड़ा फर्क होता है. Convince, just convince. Persuade मतलब when you are convinced to do particular thing or behave in a particular manner by argument, that is called persuade. तो क्या करता है वो persuade करता है by making comparison that rin tikya and sadharan tikya, this product and this product. It tries to influence the minds of consumer that advertised product is far superior than the products of the rival firm. So persuade them to buy from one seller or from other seller. Okay. Now, what is the difference between selling cost and production cost? Professor Chamberlain has also made distinction between production cost and selling cost. Simple. Production cost are those costs which are incurred in order to produce a product, a commodity. All type of fixed cost and selling cost. Okay. Administrative expense, salary, raw material, transport costs, all these are included in production cost. Selling costs are those costs which are in order to increase the sales of the firm, advertisement, publicity, etc. So production cost क्या करेंगे? Production cost by creating utility. Production cost वो demand generate करेंगे. Okay, selling cost by making publicity, etc. It can also influence demand for the product. Production cost से क्या होता है? हम लोग we are creating utilities. Here we are influencing demand. Okay, so now we will also discuss what are the how selling costs can affect the position or location of the demand. Okay, कि selling cost से location और position change हो जाती है. कैसे? First, here x-axis represents sales, y-axis represents price. Suppose this is demand curve, D1. Okay. Price is OP. Original sales of the firm is OP. Okay. Now price remains constant. Price क्या है? Constant. And the company has incurred selling costs. Advertisement दे रहे हैं टीवी पर, न्यूज़पेपर etc. has incurred selling cost. और हमने लास्ट सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा था कि there is always a positive relationship between advertising expenditure and sales of the firm. Whenever sales advertisement expenditure is incurred by the firm, obviously it generally result in increasing the sales of the firm. तो sales increase होगा. Now listen attentively. this curve, downward sloping curve, because there is an inverse relationship between price and demand, price and sales. Okay, but price remains constant, so we cannot show the change of the sales due to advertising expenditure. Price से नहीं हुआ, ad expenditure increase, sales of the firm increase. So how can we show? Because this curve, D1 curve is expressing relationship between X and Y. X क्या है? सेल्स है. Y क्या है? प्राइस है. मगर X का चेंज Y की वजह से नहीं हुआ है, किसी और फैक्टर से हुआ. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ न्यू कर्व parallel to this. This is known as DU2. Okay, and sales of the firm increase from OQ to OQ1. Okay, so from A to B. Why? This is due to increase in the sales. Okay, so how selling cost can affect the location of the demand का position of, पहले position क्या थी? यहाँ. अब पोजीशन क्या है? यहाँ है. सो सेलिंग कॉस्ट कैन अफेक्ट द लोकेशन और पोजीशन ऑफ द डिमांड. सेलिंग कॉस्ट नॉट ओनली चेंज लोकेशन, बट इट कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द शेप ऑफ डिमांड. हम लोग साथ में डिस्कस करेंगे दूसरे लेक्चर में. यहाँ क्या है कि फर्म हैज यूज ओनली वन अल्टरनेटिव, इंक्रीज एड एक्सपेंडिचर. मगर अगर फर्म क्या करे कि फर्म प्राइस भी रिड्यूस करे और सेलिंग एक्सपेंडिचर, सेलिंग कॉस्ट भी इंक्रीज करे, तो इट विल नॉट ओनली चेंज द लोकेशन और पोजीशन ऑफ द डिमांड को, इट कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द शेप ऑफ डिमांड. डिमांड को बिकम relatively elastic from relatively inelastic. That we will discuss in the next video lecture. I am repeating, selling cost is a very, very important feature of monopolistic competition, because in monopolistic competition there are large numbers of firms engaged in the production of differentiated product. They are close substitute to each other. They are not perfectly substitute. They are similar, they are not exactly same. So selling costs are those costs which are incurred in order to persuade the consumer, persuade the buyer to buy from the particular products, the seller, not from others. We also discuss how selling costs can affect the position or location of the demand curve. In the next video lecture, we will discuss how selling costs can affect the shape of the demand curve. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.